Hello there, and I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to set up virtual backgrounds on Zoom. Zoom has a really simple function which allows you to change any background into whatever image or video that you want. And I'm just going to go through the steps on how to actually set them up and then how to download your own images, your own videos, but also how to create your own backgrounds using Canva. So here we go. What you want to do is to have a little look. If you put your mouse down at the bottom left-hand corner of your Zoom, there is a stop video button and there's a little up arrow next to it. So if you give that up arrow a click, what you get is choose virtual background. And hello, there we are again. And it comes with a few options. You've got the Golden Gate Bridge, this nice dewy grass background here. You've got one of the planet, and there are two video ones, which is one of the Aurora Borealis, which is very nice, and one, let's face it, who wouldn't want to be here right now? It does look a little windy, so perhaps in a bar, having a rum and coke and a coconut or something, I don't know. But what you can do is you can also upload your own images. So for instance, you saw right at the beginning, I've uploaded my logo. So when I am doing training courses, online courses, or delivering videos such as this, I can have something in the background that is a little bit more professional looking, a little bit more kind of business as usual kind of thing. Whereas, as with many of us, I'm sure what the reality is this. I am working from home now, and I am sitting at my dining room table, the same place that in a few hours' time I'll be sitting down and having my dinner, which doesn't necessarily give the right kind of feel, the right kind of, if I was talking to clients, perhaps, it could be a little bit distracting, or it might not portray the brand that I'm looking for, the kind of communication that I'm feeling. So when I've been doing online courses or anything like that, this is the one that I put up. So I can take away that distracting background and I can just, focus on the people I'm talking to and they can focus on me. So it is very simple to change it. You just click on the one you want to change. If you want to add your own icons, though, again, it's very, very simple to do. You've got this little plus button here and you have add image or add video. So if I go add image, for instance, I can go to any images that I have. Over here I have first two pages. It's a little pet project I'm doing at the moment to keep me busy during the lockdown. Every day I'm reading the first two pages of a book that I just pick up and have a go. And I've created an image, a photograph for that. So all I would need to do is to select the photograph. And that could be a photograph of your holiday to, I don't know, the Lake District last year. It could be pictures of your kids or your animals or whatever image that you have available. Select it, hit open, and it's uploaded. Now you can see this is the YouTube thumbnail I'm using for these videos that I'm doing. I've got this first two pages up in the background. Really is that simple. To get a video, weirdly enough, click on the little cross button in the corner, go to add video and select the video. Now you probably want the video to be relatively short. This is a 15-second video that I got or I downloaded from Zoom, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment. But this is a video and I hit the open button and I've already got it up there, haven't I? So you download a video that way and it goes into your library and you can simply click on it. And now I've got this incredible background of me in space with India just as drifting past us over here and Europe just coming into view over here. There you go. I think we're up here somewhere. So it's a great way of kind of adding a bit of interest and a bit of color to what's going on. It could even be a product that you've got that could be slowly moving around in the background. A little bit distracting perhaps for a client meeting, but that's up to you how you want to use it. But how do we actually create these images? You might want to create something that is a little bit more about your business. It's a little bit more focused and bespoke to you. Rather than just a random photograph. So Canva, and I use the free version of Canva, has some Zoom templates. You just search for Zoom and you've got the building blocks of what you might want to do for your background. So I've already seen this Earth one, which I downloaded earlier. I'm just going to grab perhaps this one of a beautiful waterfall somewhere. Very lovely. I've got various options here to add in. So that's a free one. That's nice. It'll tell you whether it's free or not. That's pro, so I have to pay for it. That's a free one. But you know, I can bring this banner over, and there we go. We've got a nice little banner that's sitting across the top. Let's just minimize that a little bit, and let's have it sparkling away in the water. Or I might want to add some text. And that text could be my company name, or it could be the name of the meeting that you're having. Whatever you want to do, it's nice and simple and nice and easy to do. All you need to do is let's just grab one of these elements and drop it in the middle here. And then you can change the text, you can change the way it looks. So we got cold, smooth and tasty. There we go, keep that over there. And I might want to change there we go. So I can add different elements to it, and once I'm ready to go, all I need to do is to come over to this download button, give it a click. It'll say video beta. They are still testing all of their video stuff, and hit the download button and save it in an appropriate place on my laptop. I'm just going to shove it straight onto the desktop. So I've now downloaded that video to my desktop, and we'll just pop it into the background. So here we go. If I go to choose virtual background again, and I will go to the little cross and then add video, I've got waterfall zoom video virtual background. I click it, open it, and there we go. Now I have cold, smooth and tasty. I've got behind me a little confetti and this lovely, beautiful little waterfall that's going on. It's very, very easy to do, and it's worth having. You know, you don't have to have anything extreme. Hey, if you're having a big old meeting, you could always have a competition to see who can come up with the craziest background for you. That's entirely up to you. But in terms of these virtual backgrounds, it's a good way of removing distractions. It's a good way of demonstrating to clients that although things are different, things have changed, that you are able to carry on business as usual with the right attitude, with the right focus, with the right brand sitting behind you. So I hope that has been a useful video for you. Thank you very much for watching. If you've seen it on Facebook or LinkedIn, please do give it a little heart or a thumbs up, and share it with people you think might find it useful. If you're watching on YouTube, just give it a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'll be putting tons of content like this up over the next few weeks. Thank you very much for watching. Stay well, keep safe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.